Good morning, everyone. You may wonder why MasterCard is introducing Opentech this morning. Actually, the reason is that Opentech is one of our key partners in Europe because they have really materialized and brought to market the digital vision that we have. What is this vision? One, it is a bank-centric vision. We want the banks to still prevail in payments. And secondly, we want to enable the banks to provide a very smooth user experience to their consumers, a multi-channel user experience that enables people to pay contactless at a POS, in merchant apps, and also in a browser. But also, what is important to us is that this is all provided with a very high level of security. And last but not least, what is also very critical to us is that beyond payments, that banks, are able also to sell additional services and to provide additional services on top of pure payments. And Opentech is one of these companies that has really brought this vision to life. They have rolled out this solution in a very secure environment in a number of countries and with very important banks in Europe. So I'm really happy today to introduce you to Stefano, the founder and CEO of Opentech, who will actually show you how it works.
Thanks. Thank you very much, David. Today, we'll show you the latest version of our mobile wallet, OpenPay 2.0. So I'd like to introduce Alessandro and Lisa, that we will show you the demo. Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you, Stefano. So now I want to tell you a story that introduces our latest mobile payment solution that is called OpenPay. Well, maybe you don't know it, but in a few days it will be my wedding anniversary. And since I'm here in London at the Finovate event, I thought about going to a barber shop to buy a gift for my wife. So now let's imagine I find myself inside the shop, ready to make the purchase. Well, hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
I want to buy a bag for my wife.
Okay, perfect. Is this color okay?
Oh, that's fine, of course.
Okay, we can proceed with your payment. Do you have our loyalty card?
Yes, of course I do. Well, with OpenPay, I can virtualize all my payments and loyalty cards, so I can leave the plastics at home. But the really interesting thing is that thanks to the geolocation feature, the application is able to show suggested loyalty cards based on the shops that are near my position. In this case, for example, the application has detected that I am on Regent Street, and so it suggests me to use my Burberry loyalty card with just a simple tap, in this way.
Beep.
Thank you.
Okay, how would you like to pay?
Is it possible to pay with Apple Pay?
Yes, it is.
Oh, perfect. Well, with OpenPay, I can launch at any moment an Apple Pay payment flow. And to speed up this process, a Pay with Apple Pay button is already present within the loyalty card I'm using. So I just press the button and oh, what's happened? Oh, I completely forgot to unblock the UK. Well, I usually keep my card disabled for other countries besides Italy for security reasons. But there is no problem because OpenPay, that is always aware of the situation, reminded me that I have to unlock my card for the UK. And it is really simple. I press the Unlock Now button, and then I confirm with the Touch ID. Perfect. Now I'm ready to pay. So I press the button, and then I tap the POS with my smartphone. Perfect.
Okay, your purchase is complete. Keep your receipt just in case you have a return.
Oh, thank you very much. Well, after making a purchase, I usually receive a confirmation from my bank and, of course, a receipt from the shop assistant. Well, I must confess that almost always I lose my receipts. But thanks to OpenPay, I have no longer this problem because now with the Scan Your Receipt widget, I can take a virtual copy of my receipt. The only things that I have to do is to take a picture of the receipt in this way. And then OpenPay does the rest by analyzing the receipt and then linking it with the related transaction. Once the analysis is completed, I will receive a notification from OpenPay. Oh, here it is. So, as you can see now, I have a receipt that is related with the specific transaction and that is ready to be printed or shared at any moment. But wait a second, because I didn't realize that I spent this much. Of course, I got a little carried away, and I spent 600 euros, which is not a small amount. But there is no problem, because with OpenPay, I can pay in installments all the purchase I made using my cards. And it is really simple. I just have to press the Pay Installment button, and then select the installment plan I want to use. I confirm the operation with the Touch ID, and I'm done. Perfect. Now, as you can see, I have a transaction that is divided into 3 easy installments.
Okay,
Oh,
here
thank
you go.
Thank you. Sorry, could I also ask you some advice on what kind of wine I should buy for my anniversary?
Yes, here in London, we have a very famous wine called Exton Park Brut.
Ah, the Exton Park. Oh, great. I actually tasted that wine last night, and I was thinking of buying it.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, how can you bring wine on the plane?
Oh, you're right, but there's no problem, because I can buy it online. And with OpenPay and MasterPass, it is really simple. Let me show you how it works.
Okay.
Just launch the retailer website, and then select the product you want to buy. OK, add to basket. Then, upon checking out, select MasterPass as payment method. As you can see, the OpenPay application is automatically launched, so now you can choose the payment card you want to use and the billing and shipping address. And this also means that, of course, you can save time by not having to insert your information every time you make a purchase on a new website. Then, to confirm the payment, just use the Touch ID, and the payment is done. It is really simple, isn't it?
Yes, it's so easy. Wow.
Thanks, Alessandro. Elisa, so basically what we have seen so far leverages on MasterCard services and on Opentech mobile payment PCI DSS certified infrastructure to deliver to the end user a very easy to integrate solution, a very easy to use solution. Thanks to you all.